Good morning. Today we'll discuss about pair plot. So pair plot, as the name implies, it occurs as a pair of two different uh, plots. One is your histogram, the other one is scatter plot. So actually it occurs as a 2 cross 2 or 4 cross 4 or 3 cross 3. It occurs as a pair of scatter plot and a histogram. So pair plot, also known as a scatter plot matrix with a matrix of graphs that enables the visualization of the relationship between each pair of variables in a data set. So that means these plots, the scatter plot and histograms are occurring as a pair, and whenever you see a scatter plot, these plots are located of the diagonal of the matrix and illustrate how two variables are related off the diagonal. So whenever you see off the diagonal, which we will be having all scatter plots. So these are scatter plots, and we don't have it in the diagonals. And in order to show the correlation between the variables, we use the scatter plots. So scatter plots are going to reveal positive, negative, or no correlation between variables. So whenever you have an upward sloping trend, it indicates a positive correlation, and a downward sloping trend suggests a negative correlation. And when you can able to see histograms or the diagonal of the matrix. So histograms display the distribution of each individual variable, and these plots provide insights into the central tendency, that is mean, median, and spread, the variance and standard deviation of each variable. And particularly coming to the benefits of the pair plots are, so you we can have a quick data exploration, correlation identification, and outlier detection. These are the three main benefits of your and then your pattern recognition as well. So the benefits of using pair plots. So pair plots, as we said, it offers a rapid way to explore the relationship between multiple variables, and it is and in order it also helps us to identify the correlation, the potential correlation or the dependencies between variables. And third comes the outlier detection, which is nothing but the unusual data points or the outliers that can be spotted more easily in pair plots. And then pattern recognition, patterns or clusters within the data might become apparent, suggesting underlying relationships or groupings. In essence, what I can say is pair plots provide a valuable tool for gaining insights into the structure and relationship within a data set, making them a popular choice in data exploration and analysis. So we'll see the example of how this works. So this is a pair plot. So you could see the histograms on the diagonals, and the rest we have the scatter plot. So and this is our data set, whatever we have taken already. And in order to get the this pair plot, we have to implement Seaborn library, then feed in the data, and then create a pair plot for this particular data set, and you could able to see the relationship between three variables. So A to A, B to B, and C to C. We have this diagonal, and it is represented using histogram, and the rest with the scatter plot. And we can also be able to set the pair plot in with different colors as well. So you can able to same see here, we have hidden the data, and we have a D column A B A, and so using this, so yeah, we are going to assume this as a hue, and we are going to convert this, whatever we have done. No? Similar way, we are going to input the data into the data frame, and then we are going to create the pair plot for this particular data frame called as DF. And now we are going to set the hue as D, which is nothing but this D column. So based on this, it is going to represent with two different colors, and then the plot will be shown. So this is what a pair plot is. So pair plots are going to provide a valuable tool for gaining insights into the structure and relationship within a data set. So using this, we can able to explore and analyze the data efficiently. Thank you.